The standby system is available if there is a loss of normal hydraulic pressure. To manually turn on the standby hydraulic system, you use one of the flight control switches, or you use the alternate flaps switch. With the System A flight control switch or the System B flight control switch, you control the standby hydraulic pressure that goes to the rudder. Select Standby Rudder with the System A flight control switch. When you select Standby Rudder, the standby pump operates. To verify the pump operates, the low pressure light illuminates for approximately 1 second. Also, the standby rudder shutoff valve opens, the related flight control shutoff valve closes, and the related low pressure light extinguishes. Additionally, the standby rudder on light illuminates anytime the standby rudder hydraulic system is pressurized. Now select Standby Rudder with the System B flight control switch and look at the indications. Now close the guards for both flight control switches. Now select Arm with the alternate flaps switch. The alternate flaps switch turns on the electric pump in the standby system. The standby hydraulic system is now available to extend the leading edge flaps and slats. Standby hydraulic pressure is also available to operate the thrust reversers. Note that in this case, the standby rudder on light does not illuminate because the standby rudder system is not pressurized. Now turn off the alternate flaps. During takeoff and landing, the standby hydraulic system can operate to supply hydraulic pressure to the rudder without flight crew action. The standby pump operates and the standby rudder shutoff valve opens when the pressure in System A or System B is low and the flaps are not up, and the airplane is airborne or the wheel speed is greater than 60 knots. When these three conditions are true, the standby system supplies hydraulic pressure to the rudder. Flight crew action is not necessary. The standby system operates until the flaps are fully up. The low quantity light illuminates if the quantity in the standby system is low. The light is always armed. If System A and System B do not operate and the standby system low quantity light illuminates, the rudder, the thrust reversers, and the leading edge devices do not operate. The low pressure light for the standby system shows the output pressure from the standby pump is low.